The rumors were right, but the reality is actually much crazier. Right now, inside Apple's testing labs in Cupertino, there is a machine that shouldn't exist. It's a device that defies the laws of thermodynamics and challenges everything we thought we knew about desktop computing. You're looking at the M5 Mac Mini. For years, we've praised the Mac Mini as the budget entry into the Mac ecosystem. It was the reliable, quiet box that sat on your desk and just worked. But with the jump to the M5 Silicon, Apple isn't just updating a product. They are declaring war on the high-end PC market. We are talking about a machine that fits in the palm of your hand but possesses the raw processing power to outpace workstations 3 times its size and 5 times its price. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've been waiting to upgrade your setup, or if you're looking at those expensive Mac Studio models, you need to stop. Because the M5 Mac Mini changes the math entirely. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the M5 chip itself. This isn't just a spec bump. This is the first chip designed from the ground up to handle the next decade of artificial intelligence and spatial computing. While the M3 and M4 were incredible leaps, the M5 is built on a refined 2-nanometer process that shouldn't even be possible yet. What does that mean for you? It means more transistors, less heat, and a level of efficiency that makes the competition look like they're running on steam engines. When you hit the power button on an M5 Mac Mini, you're not just turning on a computer. You're activating a localized supercomputer. The architecture of the M5 focuses on what Apple calls unified intelligence. This isn't just about CPU and GPU cores anymore. It's about a neural engine that is significantly faster than its predecessor. We are entering an era where your computer doesn't just execute commands, it anticipates them. Whether you are a video editor working in 8K ProRes, a developer compiling millions of lines of code, or a creative professional pushing the boundaries of 3D rendering, the M5 Mac Mini handles it without even spinning up the fans. It's eerie how silent this power is. You're waiting for the lag, you're waiting for the spinning beach ball, but it never comes. It's just instant. But why the Mac Mini? Why now? Think about the evolution of the workspace. We've moved away from massive towers and cluttered desks. The modern professional wants minimalism without sacrifice. Apple realized that by putting the M5 in this tiny chassis, they could create the ultimate sleeper hit. On the outside, it looks like a clean, elegant piece of aluminum. On the inside, it's a monster. The thermal management has been completely redesigned. Even though the chip is more powerful, the way it handles energy means it stays cooler for longer. This allows the M5 to maintain peak performance during long rendering sessions where other computers would start to throttle and slow down. Let's dive into the benchmarks, because the numbers are where things get truly disrespectful to the competition. In early testing cycles, the M5 is showing single-core performance that rivals the most expensive gaming CPUs on the market. But it's the multi-core scores that will make your jaw drop. We are seeing gains that make the M5 Mac Mini faster than the previous generation's Mac Studio. Just think about that for a second. The entry-level desktop is now competing with the Pro desktop from just a year ago. It's a paradigm shift. If you are a creator,